Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to display a string in pattern format in Python. So let's take an example of it. Guys, this is the string in pattern format. So let me open up the Jupyter notebook. In this program, we are going to print a string in pattern format. So let's take the input from the user for that string. So I'm using input method here. So n equals to input, and here I'm using a string. Enter the string, and now I am using a variable x, and I am assigning a blank string in this variable x. And now I am using for loop here. I in n, and now x equals to x plus I, and we will print the value of x here. And now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the string. So let me enter the string. Guys, I have entered Arvind and it is printing my name in the pattern format. So I hope guys it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.